Oh my God. I know who you are. Oh my gosh.
I'm a singer myself. What type of advice could you give me?
Say that wacky concept, say that ridiculous line, because you never know where it's gonna lead. There are times when people tell you that you're not good enough. I've always been the kind of person to use that as leverage to push me more. For the first time in my life, I've found my voice and who I am.
So if you could put into one word how you feel about all that, what word would it be?
I don't know, grateful. You know, I've been doing this for a long time. You know, it doesn't happen overnight. Now I'm a Grammy nominee.
Yeah, she's laughing like you can't help it. That's awesome. Just the fact that I picked you up today, it just solidifies that like anything is possible. Can I sing for you?
Anytime.
I would love to sing something for you.
Rough around the edges, I can deal with that. Angel out of heaven, but been to hell and back. Could you be that new L-O-V-E?
That's amazing. I love that.
I didn't know when I woke up this morning that you were going to be in my car. I can't wait to tell my mama what happened.